Hello everyone, welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be working through a Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate, CSWA, Level 2 practice exercise, Practice Problem 2.1. This is a great example to strengthen your modeling efficiency and symmetry-based design approach. If you are preparing for the CSWA exam, I also have a full Level 1 playlist available, 16 videos covering essential concepts. You can find the link in the description below. Let's begin. Start by opening the drawing for Practice Problem 2.1. Before modeling, let's review the key setup and strategy. We will be working in mmgs units, millimeters, grams, and seconds. The recommended primary feature for this model is extruded boss. The origin coordinates are located at the center of the part, as indicated in red on the drawing. This component is fully symmetrical about both the vertical and horizontal center lines. To improve efficiency, we will model only 1/4 of the geometry and then use the mirror tool to complete the part. Also, keep in mind that the final volume of the model should be 5,263 cubic millimeters. We will use this value later to verify the accuracy of our design. Now that we've reviewed the key details, let's open SOLIDWORKS and start building the model step by step. Now let's begin the modeling process. First, quickly check your unit's mmgs. If that's set, we're good to go. Select the front plane and start a new sketch. Begin by drawing a rectangle from the origin. Use the corner rectangle tool, making sure one corner is fixed at the origin point. Next, convert the left and bottom lines of the rectangle into construction lines, so we can control the sketch more efficiently. Now let's define the dimensions. The total height is 31 millimeters, so half of that gives us 15.5 millimeters. The total width is 109 millimeters, so half is 54.5 millimeters. Continue by creating a circle at the upper right corner of the rectangle. The diameter is 18 millimeters. Use the trim tool to remove any unnecessary sketch segments. Add a fillet with a radius of 3.75 millimeters to round the corner. Next, create another circle with a diameter of 5 millimeters. Position 9 millimeters from the right corner. To complete the sketch efficiently, mirror the geometry first about the vertical center line. And then about the horizontal center line. At this point, the sketch should be fully defined. Now apply an extruded boss with a thickness of 1.5 millimeters. Next, select the front face of the part and start a new sketch. Use convert entities to project the outer edges of the model. Apply an offset of 1.5 millimeters inward. Time to add thickness. Use extruded boss with a depth of 1.5 millimeters. Make sure merge result is enabled so the geometry remains a single solid body. Click OK. Now select the back face and start a new sketch. Create 2 circles using the centers of the existing holes. Apply equal relations to the smaller holes so they match the original diameter. Set the larger holes to a diameter of 8 millimeters. Next, use extruded boss with 2 directions. Direction 1 sad face, 0.75 outward. Direction 2, 2.25 millimeters in the opposite direction. Ensure merge result is enabled, then confirm the feature. And that's it, model complete. Let's verify the result. First, check the origin. It should align with the center of the part as required. The origin matches the drawing. Next, evaluate the mass properties. The volume should be 5,263 cubic millimeters. If your value matches, the model is correct. Excellent, the model is accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and leave a comment. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching.